Hello everyone, once again welcome to Technology Moments. My name is Alan, and as we recently showed you, we tested the 12-line laser level from Bekoywoy. We also wanted to let you know what our experience with this great tool was, the 2-line laser level from the same brand. In this opportunity, we're showing you unboxing and evaluation of how good this 2-line laser level is, which is the smallest version of this line of products from Bekoywoy. It's small and proved to be worth every penny. Packaging is simple with the accessories necessary for a handy tool and very convenient in terms of space for many toolboxes. It includes the magnetic support, the Type-C charger cable, the level itself, the instructions manual, the target plate, and the USB adapter. It has very nice finishing and size will make it fit in any toolbox, which for many of us may be a great advantage. It provides you with a bubble level on top, which is nothing more than an approximation of a flat disposition of the device, whether attached to the wall magnetic mount or to any tripod or lifting base, which is also available from the manufacturer. The charging port is on one side and the sliding power button on the other, so it is not only a freeing switch of the self-level mechanism that once you turn it on, you'll easily see in action. As you may have seen, these levels include an audible and visual alarm for when you tilt it beyond self-leveling limits, something very useful too. Also, if you plan on making an incline project, you can silence such alarm by long pressing the power intensity button, which by the way lets you toggle between 5 laser intensity levels. As we said, it provides you with a standard 1/4-inch thread mount on the bottom, making it compatible with any tripod out there. Little advice, get one that will let you extend above the highest working height you're gonna be using it at. For example, for roofing, you may want to get the tripod of about 6 to 8 feet, plus a 5 or 6 foot extension, available from many vendors out there at very reasonable prices. We cannot begin to tell you how useful these levels are, and once you get one of these, you'll see the many projects and working situations that you might use it at, from simple floor leveling to piping slopes, level drilling, plumb installations, roofing slope check, design projection, and many more. This is a tool very well suited for architects, DIYers, engineers, construction workers, designers, and many more. The target plate makes it a very handy addition to its accessories, as you may find it very easy to see and locate the projected line in darker or black walls. Also, it is magnetic. As for accuracy and precision, there are two considerations to keep in mind. For accuracy, it is basically given by the width of the laser line projection, which standing at 12 meters is about a 3 mm projected line. To measure its precision, it is as simple as every so often compare it with a plumb. The longer the drop, the more accurate your reading will be. In our case, this test was absolutely perfect. The old trick of the water hose separated a few meters would do exactly the same in the horizontal axis. Manufacturer claims it is important to check accuracy every once in a while. It is also very important to notice that it is a mechanism that very well may be affected by a high energy drop, something very common in construction. The convenient magnetic holder can also be used as a storage attachment to your toolbox, so it is always at hand. This magnetic holder, which works in many situations, can make you use any metallic column as your support for the laser. Also very handy if you just screw a metal plate to any wall and support it there. Instructions are so simple, they are condensed here. So simple to use that anyone can just unbox it and use it. This laser level is outstanding. Very simple yet very powerful, and we fully recommend it. Even in bright lighting conditions, laser was very well seen, but of course darker walls or a direct sunlight may be troublesome, as we've been able to test with other levels. I tested it at a distance of 13 meters at a very bright warehouse, and here you can see how visible lines are. Overall, we're very satisfied having tested this laser level, and for many professionals also may be a great addition to your project planning. Thank you very much for watching. Show us your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel, so we can keep evaluating more tech tools for you. See you next time.